Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cameras battling it out for the title of the best dash cam on the market. On the left, we have the RedTiger 4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the Miden S7 dual dash camera. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one comes out on top. When it comes to dash cameras, video quality is crucial. The RedTiger 4K dashcam boasts a 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p resolution for the rear camera. That means you'll be capturing your drive journey in stunning detail, even at night, thanks to its enhanced super night vision. On the other hand, the Miden S7 dual dash camera offers a 2.5K front video and FHD 1080p rear video. While it may not have 4K, it still provides excellent video quality with the added benefit of a wider angle lens for both cameras. So if you're someone who wants the highest resolution possible, the RedTiger 4K dashcam might be your best bet. But if you prioritize a wider angle and still want great video quality, the Miden S7 dual dash camera is a strong contender. Let's talk about the features that make these dash cameras stand out. The RedTiger 4K dashcam comes with a built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect to the access and share your recorded videos. It also has loop recording and a G sensor that automatically locks and protects footage during sudden movements or impacts. Plus, it even has a 24-hour parking monitoring feature for added security. On the other hand, the Miden S7 dual dash camera offers loop recording with seamless video connection, so you never miss a moment. It also has a 3-axis G sensor and accident lock function, ensuring that important footage is saved and protected. And let's not forget about its super night vision and parking monitor that kicks into action when your vehicle is parked. Both cameras come with impressive features, but the RedTiger 4K dashcam takes the lead with its built-in GPS and Wi-Fi capabilities. However, if you're looking for seamless video connection and advanced accident detection, the Miden S7 dual dash camera has got you covered. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The RedTiger 4K dashcam comes in at $229, while the Miden S7 dual dash camera is priced at just $69. It's clear that the Miden S7 dual dash camera offers incredible value for money with its lower price tag. But remember, price isn't everything. You have to consider the features and video quality as well. Based on online reviews, the RedTiger 4K dashcam is highly praised for its superior performance, ease of use, and excellent customer service. Reviewers recommend it for its reliability and user-friendly features. On the other hand, the Miden S7 dual dash camera receives positive reviews for its exceptional video quality, easy installation, and affordable price. Reviewers appreciate its value for money and feature-rich capabilities. So which dash camera should you choose? The RedTiger 4K dashcam offers exceptional video quality, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity, but it comes with a higher price tag. On the other hand, the Miden S7 dual dash camera provides great video quality, advanced features, and an unbeatable price. Ultimately, it depends on your priorities and budget. If you're willing to invest in top-notch video quality and advanced features, go for the RedTiger 4K dashcam. But if you want a solid dash camera without breaking the bank, the Miden S7 dual dash camera is an excellent choice. That's it for today's comparison. We hope this video helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.